In this video, we will review the GAS New Rider jeans. The fabric of this jeans is the most unique part. It is 92% cotton and 6% polyester. In terms of the fitting, I would call this a mid between the slim fit and the straight fit. The company says it is high performance technical denim with up to 80% elasticity. Great fabric means your jeans will always stay in shape. One of the best thing about this jeans is this is a kind of jeans you can clean with a hot cloth and not have to wash it regularly. Also, ironing is optional. You might not even need it as it settles very easily. Now, this is a size 31 jeans and is perfect for those that feel size 32 is slightly big for them. In terms of the height, I'm about 5 feet 10 and I felt that I do not need to alter this. So if you are over 6 feet tall, I suggest you go for the size 32 cause this will be slightly smaller for you. This jean should be worn with sneakers or flat shoes. Avoid wearing boots with it. The waistline is stretchable and you might not even need a belt. This jeans stands out. It is shiny and very lightweight actually. Stitching quality is excellent and this is the jeans you would want to wear in party or attending any night functions. My final verdict, although quite expensive, but it is very different.